Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to install and secure XAMPP in Mac. To install XAMPP, you access to this website, apachefriends.org/download.html. On this website, you will look for the Mac version over here, which is the third one basically. I already downloaded the file, as you can see over here. Once you have the file, you just double click it, and here you click the icon twice and open and type your password. We don't need this window anymore, so we close it. Okay, here we click next, 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 and we close this window and we click next again. So the installation just started. I recommend you to close any program that you are using when you install XAMPP. This is because XAMPP may enter in conflict with some of the programs that you are using, and that will crash the installation. Also, it has been reported, for instance, that when you are using Skype and at the same moment you are trying to use XAMPP, XAMPP won't work. That's why it's better just to turn off any other program. During this installation, I recommend you to follow the same steps as I will take, because I will use this in following tutorials, and if you make a different installations, you may be a little bit lost in the following tutorials. Okay, the installation is almost finishing. And it just finished. So we click here, finish. This page will appear, and on this page we choose the English version over here, English. This is the main page of XAMPP. To access to this page, all you need to do is to type in your browser, for instance Safari or Chrome over here, localhost. If you type localhost, you will access to this page. Now let's discuss phpMyAdmin, shown over here. That's the place where all your databases will be stored. We click here and it will show an error message. If you have this, all you need to do is just close this window and go to this icon over here, which is the Manager OS X icon. When you click the Manager OS X icon, this window will pop up, and here you will choose Manage Servers. If you have red circles, it means that there are some problems that you need to fix. In this particular case, all you need to do is just click here, Restart All. That will fix the problem. If it doesn't fix the problem, it's because you have a program working that is in conflict with XAMPP. So what you need to do is just close that program. We just need to wait, and now it's everything green. So we don't close this because this must be working, so we just minimize it only. And if we go to phpMyAdmin again, now we can access the page. On this page, left column, if we click here, New, we will be able to create a database. We will discuss this in the following tutorial. So for now, let's close phpMyAdmin. And let's go to this security link over here. By default, XAMPP doesn't have any security. To add some security to XAMPP, we go to this link shown over here. Application XAMPP, XAMPP files, XAMPP security. If you go to your Finder and go to Applications, you will find a folder with the name XAMPP over here. So that's where all the data of XAMPP is installed. As you can see, here is the Manager OS X. If by some reason you don't have this icon over here, you just need to go over here and click here and you have it. If you go through the folders to this extension, application, XAMPP files, you won't find this XAMPP security folder or icon. What we need to do is we need to access through the terminal. So we click here and search for the terminal and we access with sudo permissions. Sudo applications XAMPP files / XAMPP space security. It will request your Mac password and now it will ask you the question, do you want to set a password for XAMPP? Here you choose yes and define a password. Retype the password. Now, do you want to turn off MySQL via network? You choose yes. Now they ask, do you want to set a password for PHP MyAdmin user PMA? Here there is a particular problem with XAMPP, which is if you choose yes here, you must choose yes in the following question. If you type no here, you must type no in the following question. Because if you don't do that, you will encounter problems when accessing your database, unless you find other ways to fix it, which consist in accessing files inside XAMPP, but that's more complicated, and we want it to make it really simple. So in this particular case, I will choose no. Why? Because if you choose yes, every time you access PHP you will have to type a password first. And we don't want to do that. Because we're working, or you are working in your local computer, in fact, you don't need too much security. So we choose no here. And as I said, by default, if you don't want to encounter problems with your PHP database, here you must choose no also. Now they ask you the FTP password. Because you are working in your computer, you don't need a password here because you are not using FTP. So you choose no. And you're set, so you close this and you click security again. Now, as you can see, only the first one is secure and the others are unsecure. If you care too much about security, then just put security to everything. In my case, I'm just securing the first one. And basically that's all. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to use PHP MyAdmin. Thank you for watching.